Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did already cut it open because I did pull the card out to see what was in here because I'm going to be doing this video try-on style with you. As I pull the items out, I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my face. And I actually have items that I can use on my face today, not just like an eyeshadow palette or something, although that's in here too. Spoiler. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and open it up. It looks like this, and then pull it open. That's what it looks like, which you really can't see anything right now because the first thing on here, which I'm not going to use today because it's going to take way too long, there are 3 Glam Glow Bubble Sheets Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. So that is what they look like. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. The Glam Bag Plus has one of these fold-out cards. I just need to find... There it is. All right, so this is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet. Value is $27 for 3, so I have 3, there's $27. Think of this oxygenated, charcoal-infused sheet mask as a mini bubble bath for your face. Glam Glow's bubble sheet activates with foaming bubbles when you put it on. That tingling feeling just means it's removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and oil from your pores. It's so fun, you can't have just one. Instead, you'll get a set of 3 masks, which I did. And it says, tip, start with damp skin and apply the mask, aligning the eye and nose areas. Use your fingertips to smooth it on. Expect the oxygenating microbubbles to form within 60 seconds. Cue the skincare selfies. After 3 minutes, remove the mask and massage the cleansing bubbles onto your skin for a final clean. Rinse and pat dry. Don't forget the after selfie. There you go. If you weren't aware, my husband John and I do a monthly face mask video. It's lots of fun. We just sit around and talk for a couple of minutes and do face masks together, and we have fun filming it, or at least I have fun filming it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and this is what is left in the box. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out next. This is from Yensa Color Plus Face. It's the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And yeah, I don't know. This is what it looks like. Okay. All right, so the card says the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Value is $35. That seems like a lot. Ever wonder how some beauty junkies have luminous skin, both barefaced and made up? Those of us who have to work for our glow can turn to this Yensa primer for help. Infused with black tea, shiitake mushroom, chia seed, and more nourishing ingredients, it helps correct and blur fine lines, pores, and uneven skin texture, all while giving you a subtle highlight. Tip, smooth evenly over clean skin before makeup to increase the staying power of your favorite foundation. Or skip the makeup altogether and use the primer as a final step to your skincare routine. So I am actually going to pop this open and use it today. All right, that is what it's just a, squeeze bottle. So it does say, smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin. Let's sit for 15 seconds, then apply the Yensa BC foundation for even coverage, which I'm not going to do. But we'll go ahead and use this. So go ahead and get some on my hand. Ooh, okay, so this looks a lot like, let's see if it feels like it. It doesn't feel like it. I was going to say it looks a lot like Professional, but it doesn't feel like Professional. All right, I'm going to get a little bit more out for my chin. I don't really feel like that's all that glowy. Did I maybe just not put enough on? It dries really fast. I'll give it that. It dries really, really fast. So... And it definitely has a tackiness to it. So if you like that in your primers, you might really like this. But I don't really feel like it gave me all that much of a glow. I don't know. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out here that I'm going to be using. This is from Nude Sticks. This is the Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. So it's just a Nude Sticks. If you've ever seen any, they all look kind of the same. Okay, and it's just like a Nude Sticks. All right, let's see what the card says. So this is the Nude Sticks Nudies Tinted Blur in Light 1. Yep, Light 1. Snapchat filters are cool, but this nude stick's blurring stick minimizes the appearance of pores, blemishes, fine lines, and skin texture in real life, or IRL. The light reflecting cream to powder mineral formula gives you a soft matte glow as the shade adjusting pigments blend with your skin tone. Tip: start by swiping onto major areas like the forehead, cheek, chin, and nose, and gently blending outward in a tapping motion with your fingers. Wear it alone for light coverage on no makeup days or as a primer under foundation. I'm going to try to use this as a foundation. We'll see if it actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and, ooh, that is, unless it blends more than what it looks like, it definitely is a light coverage. And I'm probably going to have to go in with some extra in some certain places. So it says blend with your hands. I don't know how to blend makeup with my hands. Am I doing it right? I don't know. Definitely a very light coverage. In fact, a lot of it actually is just on my hands rather than my face. I'm going to go ahead and try to build it up a little bit in my areas where I have some redness, which is the center of my face for the most part. And my chin. All right. I'm not sure about that. It definitely looks like no makeup. It's not bad. It pretty much what it's done is really like just toned down some of the natural redness I have in my skin. Sorry, my dog is deciding to make noises over there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. I am going to go ahead and put some face makeup on, and we will be right back to look at the last two things in my box. I'm not loving the nude sticks. I even put a little bit more on my face while I was off screen, and I'm just not loving it because I'm getting so much of my natural redness that comes through. And honestly, if I'm not going to wear makeup, I'm not going to wear makeup. I'm not going to have like a no makeup day for the most part. I'm just not going to wear anything. So I'm not loving it. All right, let's go ahead and move on to my eyes. Actually, I'm going to go do my brows real quick. Sorry about that. All right, we're going to go into the next item. It is this right here. This is from Wander Beauty. It is the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. So there it is. Okay, and it is taped shut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open. All right, that is what it looks like. Okay. I'll tell you what. I don't think they pressed some of these pans very well, because I don't know if this will show up, but look at how weird that looks. It's this one and this one. The pans just look really weird. Can you guys see that on those two pans? The other pans, not so much, but those two pans, it just looks really weird the way that they're pressed. And the pink one as well. That's very odd. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at what this says. So this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Its value is $25. This Wander Beauty 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery, satin, and matte finishes in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds, these pigmented shadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on and off the beach. Tip: for a sunny golden look, dust Champagne Harbor along your brow bone, use your finger to pat Golden Reef onto your lid, and finish by blending Sand Dollar into the crease. To take your look to the next level, smudge Seafoam or Coastal along the lower lash line. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these, actually. All right, y'all, this is a really weird texture. Look at this shadow. Once I put my finger into it, I'll show you the swatches here in a second. But can you see how the texture of that looks? That's really weird. Anyway, here are the the swatches. The top of my hand or the bottom is the bottom row, and then the bottom of my hand is the top row. Whoops. There we go. Okay. That seafoam shade just looks like it wants to fall apart. I think they press these really weird. Let's go ahead and see what we can figure out with this palette. I'm going to, oh my golly. All right. I'm not loving this palette. Can you guys see this shade here? What happened when I stuck my brush into it? All right, I'm going to tap this on the back of my hand just so I don't get too much. It's very, very powdery, like crazy powdery. I don't think I've tried any Wander Beauty eyeshadow palettes, so this is my first go round with them, I think. All right, I am going to go ahead. What did they say? I'm going to follow their tips here. Golden Reef, they're recommending all over the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of that on my finger and put that all over my lid. I put Sand Dollar in my crease already, which is what they had actually recommended. The texture of these shadows are really weird. They're just weird. Okay. I already put Sand Dollar in the crease. All right, Champagne Harbor they're recommending for my brow bone. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to tap that into my inner corner as well. All right, and then it recommends Seafoam or Coastal along the bottom, which is this one and this one. That Seafoam one, though, like it just looks like the whole pan is going to just fall apart. I don't think they pressed these very well. I just don't think they got pressed very well. Okay, it just looks like it's going to fall apart. All right, I'm not going to use Seafoam. I'm going to actually put Coastal along my lower lash line, which is the blue shade. This one right here. I'm going to actually put that along my lower lash line. I'm not loving that very much at all. Let's get a little bit of the Seafoam. I'm going to try to put a little bit of the Seafoam there as well. Nope, not loving that. Okay, I'm not liking this palette at all. I'm not liking this palette at all. We are going to go ahead and put this aside, and this will probably go in my drawer, and at some point when I do a declutter, I will probably get rid of that because I'm just not liking it. I think the orange color on my lids is pretty, or the golden bronzy orange, whatever shade it is pretty. Other than that, I didn't really like anything in this palette, so there's that. All right, and then the last item in here is from Il Makiage. This is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. The value is $25. Okay, that is what the packaging looks like. I'm not sure that it will pick up very well on my camera here. So this says, oh, it's a metallic tube too. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, reach for mascara that pumps up your natural lashes minus the messy glue. The football-shaped silicone brush grips and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. Tip: starting at the base of your lashes, wiggle the wand in an upward motion from root to tip for extra length and volume. Want even more drama? Apply as many coats as you want without fear of clumping. Plus, it's lightweight, so it won't weigh your lashes down. So I have not recently been opening a lot of mascaras because I have so many open, but I am going to go ahead and open this because I haven't opened a new one in a few months. So we're going to go ahead and open this and give this a try. Okay, it does have what they referred to as a football-shaped brush. And let's see how it works on my lashes. All right, I'm actually really liking that mascara, believe it or not. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, initial reaction is that is really nice. Really nice. Okay, let's go over the things that were in my Glam Bag Plus this month. First and foremost is the Il Makiage mascara, which is probably my favorite item in the box. I'm not going to put any lipstick on. I actually have some of the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I did a get ready with me that's posting in a couple of days, and I show you all of my Sephora VIB sale purchases, and that was one of them. So anyway, I'm not gonna put any lip product on because I'm probably gonna go wash my face because I really hate everything that I put on my face other than the mascara. So the mascara I think looks pretty nice. The Nudies Nude Stick, I don't like it. The Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Okay. The Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape. I don't like it. And then the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets, which I didn't give a try. So I'm really not happy with this box. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you've seen any other unboxings. I have not yet. I just got it in the mail today. Hoping to get this video up this evening. So yeah. I'm going to give a little bit of credit. So a couple of the shades in here I don't mind. I think the bronzy shade on my lid is pretty. I think the shade I put on my inner corner is pretty. But the way these are pressed is very, very weird. They look like they're going to break apart at any second. I don't like the blue. I don't really like that green shade that just kind of like fell apart as I started to touch it. Yeah. I'm just not liking what my makeup looks like. I'm going to probably go take it off. So anyway, I wanted this bag for so long, or box for so long. I finally got it in April, and now my second month, I'm very disappointed. Anyway. I think they have different variations of this as well. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I love to interact with you all. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.